Hello viewers, this is Wajid again with a new video. Today I would like to discuss about the life insurance related questions, myths, fiction, misconception or lack of understanding in general public. If you have any questions, please contact me at 416-804-6190 by text or by email. My email is info@letustalk.ca as you can see on the screen. This is usual legal disclaimer that these contents or video or explanation is for the general information purpose and should not be taken as a legal advice because everyone's situation and circumstances are different. That's why I suggest if you need some advice regarding any particular case, question, or your own situation, please contact me or one of the professionals in that field. Just to know, rules and guidelines are always changing. These are based on early 2020. So what is life insurance? Briefly, I will explain here. For details, check my video on life insurance. Sometimes I call it life assurance because no one guarantees the life, but certainly it can give assurances for certain things for you and for your loved ones. Life insurance is not related to dying only, it also gives benefits during the life, rather more needed if you are going to live longer. There are many financial tools or vehicles. Life insurance is one of the tools. Everyone should definitely consider having part of the financial planning to help own our loved one's goal. There are many versions and types of insurances like term life, permanent life, universal life, whole life or par whole life, mortgage insurance, and many more, which I will discuss in other video. Here I would like to explain some basic questions we hear daily on client meetings. So let's start. It is too expensive or I cannot afford it. Expensive is a relevant term, but due to advancement of medical science and treatments, life expectancy of people is increasing. That means cost of insurance is decreasing because it depends upon mortality rates. Cost of insurance is based on many factors like age, gender, health, etc. For example, a 30 years old non-smoker healthy female can get 500,000 or half a million 10-year term insurance as little as $14 per month. Some conditions apply, yes, less than 50 cents a day. It is extremely complicated and complex product. This is not the case in many situations. It can be as simple as answering few questions. One reason people consider it complex or complicated because when they relate this to dying or death. So if you think positive that this is not related to death, rather it is helping you or your loved ones living with less financial crisis if planned properly, then this will not look complicated. Consulting a professional makes the process more easier and smoother. It is such a hassle to get life insurance. Yes, I agree that there are some efforts people need to make to get proper insurance, but I call it achievement, not hassle, because the efforts people are putting, those are to get proper and suitable insurance. which help their future goals. So meeting your goal will be a success, not a hassle. The higher the price, the better the coverage. I don't agree that with more money you will get better coverage. Yes, if you pay more, of course you will get more coverage. But that does not mean that you are getting better coverage, because sometimes we need to create layering or a blended product with different riders to accomplish future goals. So better product will be based on suitability, not just price. All insurance policies are the same, only difference is price. In reality, even the name of insurance sounds same or similar. Most policies come with different features and options. That's why it is always better to get advice from a professional to help you decide on product based on your short and long-term goals and your financial needs. I can get better deal buying online insurance. This sounds accurate, but in reality, the online tools ask few questions and decide the product for you, while a personal advisor can bring in the human touch to the decision factor by exploring your past, present, and future objectives, along with emotions of client, which are priceless. Buy the term and invest the difference. If you have a disciplined life and plan the future goals, then it might make sense. But permanent life also help to get cover for entire life. Universal life was introduced with all flexibilities in mind. In some cases, you like tax advantage growth or transfer wealth or estate to the next generation. So contact professional to get best suited product. I am young and healthy. I don't need life insurance. Age is not the primary factor for insurance. Do your financial need analysis to see if you need insurance or not, because your age and health will change with time and cost of insurance will go up with age and health. Even you are young, you might have debts and loans. Someone has to take care of that if you get married or have kids. So plan now when you don't need insurance, because when you need insurance, most companies will not give you insurance. I am too young to care about life insurance. Life insurance make more sense if you are young, because cost of insurance is less, and if you buy a permanent insurance, more money can go towards cash value and compounded growth. Sometimes policy for kids help in many ways. It will be very cost effective, can be used for child education, first home or wedding, or meeting any other objectives. Not to mention, it will be cheap and can be paid up in few years. I have savings and probably won't need insurance, so why waste money? Yes, this might be right if your savings are equal or more than insurance need. But as your needs keep changing with time, like family, kids, mortgage, final expense, so taking these consideration will help to decide if you really don't need insurance, as cost of insurance will go up with time. One more reason could be for wealthy ones to pass on that in tax efficient way. It is unnecessary if I am single or married but do not have kids. It might be true at a certain time and situation, but think in a larger aspect. For example, if you are single, you might get married. If you don't have kids, you might have kids. You might have mortgage. There will be final expense. So always better to review based on present and future intentions. I am stay-home parent or I have no income, I don't need it. This is not right. Even if you are not contributing to household income, still the services you provide cost tens of thousands of dollars. If have to replace with a service provider each day like cooking, laundry, childcare, maintenance, etc. Only the breadwinner or income earner need life insurance. This is not true, although you can say that household income is generated by one person, but the day-to-day activities are done by both parents. Breadwinner loss is great financial loss, but other person loss is equally hard to replace without financial support. So life insurance is equally important for earner or non-earner. Yes, amount of insurance required might be different for each one. My children are adult, I don't need it. Life insurance helps in almost all stages of the life. Its scope is different, so it does not matter if you have young kids or they are grown up. Always discuss your situation with a professional to see if you need insurance to accomplish your goal like inheritance, retirement, or living for loved ones. My health is poor, it will disqualify me for insurance. Yes, health and age are two important factors for insurance, but there are many companies from which people with poor health or even with cancer or diabetic can qualify for their simplified or guaranteed product with certain condition, but they do get insurance. I only need life and health insurance. Yes, life and health insurance are two important types, but for some people are self-employed, in some cases disability or critical illness are equally important. So discussion with professional will help to get best possible products within available budget. I have insurance and health through my work. I don't need it. Most work plans are limited in benefits and they are not fully underwritten, especially life insurance through employer are not enough in most cases we noticed. I have insurance through my work. If I move, I will take this to other company. Typically, health and insurance plans provided by employers are general in features for groups and also they are not portable to other companies. Yes, you can convert to an individual plan, but that might be quite expensive. So having own life insurance will give you the benefits and features you like to have based on your needs. If I get term insurance, I cannot convert it to a permanent insurance. Sometimes people, due to budget issues, don't get term insurance because they think their need is permanent insurance. Many companies provide options to convert from term insurance to permanent policy without medical evidence. So we always suggest get term and lock your insurability and then convert it to a permanent policy when you can afford it because health issues can come up at any time. I or my beneficiary has to pay tax on life insurance proceeds. In Canada, as of now, life insurance benefits are tax-free and it is not taxable in hands of owner or beneficiary. If proper beneficiary is not designated, there might be a chance that benefits or proceeds from life insurance might go through probate process, but there is no tax on that. Finally, I would like to thank for watching the video. Please subscribe this channel for new videos. My number is 416-804-6190 and email is info@letustalk.ca as you can see on the screen. Please text or email for any questions or if you like a one-on-one detailed discussion based on your situation. Thanks a lot for watching and staying tuned for more informational videos. Have a wonderful and thoughtful time.